Governor holiday. Mention has been made in the past couple of weeks of filling of shoes and the like. With all the respect due to you, I prefer the African proverb that says, wisdom is like fire. One takes it from the other. So thank you, Excellency, for passing on the torch of wisdom. I shall do my utmost to keep the fire burning. In closing, we are indebted to our ancestors, to those who did the right thing then in order for us to stand here today. And we owe it to those to come after us so they too may stand on higher ground. Our gaze must always remain focused on the long term, on the perpetual forward motion of our nation, our people. Sincerely being the best you can every day and giving of your talents for the betterment of the greater good. Striving for excellence and being good whilst doing so. For the future is watching all of us through a lens of sustainability, visionary, and servant leadership. Who do we want them to see when their gaze is on us? Looking in that mirror called time, reflecting back on every single one of us tasked with this privilege of public service. While it is of cardinal importance that truth is spoken to power, it is of equal importance that the powerful speak truth to one another. Madam Chair Lady, people of my beloved St. Martin, it is a privilege and honor which I shall do my utmost to serve and carry out with respect, integrity, dignity, and grace. I, Ajamo Gladstone Baly, hereby accept the office of Governor. Thank you, God bless you all, and God bless our great village, St. Martin.